Welcome back, children. In this tutorial, we again are going to continue our lesson number 10, that is building houses. In the last tutorial, we had discussed about different types of houses like flat roof house, slanting house, igloos, stilt house, etc. However, in this tutorial, we will discuss about special houses, boat house, building materials, and about multi-storied buildings. Let us start with special houses. Special houses are built in the areas that are mostly prone to the earthquake. In India, regions of Kashmir, North and Middle Bihar, Run of Kutch, and Andaman Nicobar Islands are mostly fall under earthquake prone zones. In these areas, you will find a different type of houses in order to minimize the loss of life and property due to earthquake. To build such type of houses, light materials are used, especially materials made up of wood, bamboo, and hollow bricks. The structure may have beams and slabs that may be usually made up of concrete, which is reinforced with steel or earthquake resistant bars. Light material houses or roller houses are the few examples of such type of special houses. These are constructed in such a way that it lowers the loss of human life to the maximum extent. To avoid collapsing, roller houses are in trend nowadays. Next is boat house. As the name indicates, boat house means a house on a boat, just like as a boat flows in water. In the same manner, this houseboat flows in water as it is built on a boat. It is a boat that has been designed or modified to be used as a home. It is also called as floating house. Children, some of you might have visited Jammu or Kashmir or Kerala during your holidays. If so, then you might have seen boat houses as they are very popular in the states of Kashmir and Kerala. Can anyone know what is a houseboat in Kashmir or Kerala called? Houseboats in Kashmir are called as shikaras. However, houseboats in southwestern Indian states like Kerala are known as Ketuvalam. Boat houses are mainly used for tourism purpose also. So if you visit in any of these states, you must enjoy this. It would be very interesting experience for all of you. So if boat houses are floating houses, can you tell what type of materials are to be used in building these houses? Material used in building such type of houses are mainly of wood because wood is having the capability to float on water. So, boat houses are the wooden houses that are mounted on a boat with all the necessary requirements and facilities. Next is building materials. Building materials are the any material which is used for the purpose of construction. Many naturally occurring substances like clay, rock, sand, wood, even leaves also had been used for construction of buildings. But nowadays, a large variety of materials are available like cement, sand, bricks, etc. However, the choice of these materials depends according to the geographical condition and strength required. Geographical condition means like in plain regions we opt for flat roof houses. However, in hilly areas sloping roof houses are most common. Also, the material used in building houses depend upon their availability. Remember, for building flat roof houses, we use material like brick, cement, sand, etc. For building tree houses, we use wood. Why? Because they are built in forest areas and forests are equipped with plenty of wood. In hilly and rocky areas, stones may be used for building the houses. However, the areas of cold region are to be built with the ice. And what these ice houses are called? These are called as igloos. Now, moving forward to the last topic of the chapter, that is multi-story building. A multi-story building is a building that has multiple stories. Usually, these stories are built one above the another. Children, can you tell why these multi-story buildings are to be built? Mainly due to the lack of space availability in big cities. They are very much popular. These buildings are called as skyscrapers also. Children, what do you think? Who live in these buildings? Do you know? These buildings are not only used for residential purposes, rather for commercial purposes, for offices, for markets. These buildings, these multi-story buildings are in quite trend. Like we enjoy shopping while when we go to the shopping mall, and in the shopping mall we can see a number of floors. What these number of floors indicate? These numbers of floors indicate that the mall where you are shopping is a multi-story building. Can you name few such malls in your city? What do you think? In how many days a multi-story building can be built? Maybe a few months, maybe a year or two or more. But now the technology has developed so much that in China, a skyscraper building, which is also known as Mini Sky City, this building has 57 stories. It is built in central China and it was constructed in only 19 working days. Can you find the name of the Chinese company that built this building in such a short time? Children, hope you understood the concept of special houses that are found in earthquake prone zones, boat houses, building material, and multi-story buildings. Now time to solve the assignment. All the best, children.